We are solving question number 2, part 2. Find f dash x if f of x is given. Question number 2. Find f dash x f of x. Given that f of x is part A. 3 minus 4 is power 5. So that is the solution of this question. Let's suppose that we have here f of x is given that solution. We start f of x is equal to 11 3 minus 4 x power 5. Now according to the if we are differentiating with respect to x dy by dx, we can write this function dy by dx f of x. So dy by dx 11 3 minus 4 x power 5. So as we know that the formula, the derivative of a power x is equal to a power x log of a, and further derivative of this function x. So here according to this formula we are applying this formula. A power x means here 11 power the same 3 minus 4 x power 5, and log of a in the place of log of a is log of 11, and the derivative of the x values 3 minus 4 x power 5. So we get here 11 3 minus 4 x power 5, and log of 11 derivative of 3 is 0 constant value. According to the constant, derivative of any constant value is 0 because there is no x is available. We are differentiating with respect to x. Here c and b z have the derivative of 3 value as 0 according to this definition. Minus 4 multiplied by 20 x power 4. Now we can write this result minus 20 x power 4, 11 3 minus 4 x power 5, and log of 11. That is the answer. X power 5 e power 1 over x. Now we can differentiate solution to the start here. F of x is given that f of x power 5 e power 1 over x. Now differentiating with respect to now, we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides of this equation. Dy by dx f of x is equal to dy by dx x power 5 e power 1 over x. Now here we are using product rule. According to the product rule, we consider this rule y is equal to u dot with product rule. Y dash is equal to u and v dash plus and u dash and v. According to this rule, if we are applying here, we can write if dash x f prime, first prime means first derivative. So here we are using the product rule dy by dx e power 1 over x plus e power 1 over x and the derivative of the u function x power 5 is equal to x power 5 e power 1 over x. E power 1 over x is equal to ex, and further derivative of the x is 1 over x plus e power 1 over x and x power 5 x power 4. Now we are taking the derivative of this one 1 over x. We can write 1 over x. We can write x power minus 1. We change this function into the form of this one x square e power 1 over x, and derivative of x power minus 1. plus e power 1 over x 5x power 4. Now x power 5 e power 1 over x and derivative of this function minus 1 and x power minus 1 minus 2 and plus 5 x power 4 e power 1 over x. Now uh, we can write this from minus 1 if dash x is equal to minus 1 x power. This is all same, so we get the power 5 minus 2, we get x 5 minus 2 and e power 1 over x plus 5 x power 4 e power 1 over x. Now minus x power 3 e power 1 over x plus 5 x power 4 e power 1 over x is the answer. E power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 1. So that is given that we can write given that f of x is equal to e power 2x divided by e power minus 2x plus 1. Now using quotient rule regarding to the quotient rule, y is equal to u divided by v and y dash is equal to v and u dash minus u and v dash divided by v square. This is the quotient rule we are using here. So f dash x is equal to quotient rule we are using minus 2x plus 1 and derivative of e power 2x minus e power 2x and derivative of v function e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by v minus 2x plus 1 whole square. Now f dash x is equal to e power minus 2x plus 1 into derivative of e power 2x and for the derivative of 2x is equal to 2 minus e power 2x and e power 2x is minus 2x and for that derivative is minus 2 plus 0 divided by e power minus 2x plus 1 whole square. Now if dash x is equal to this 2, if we multiply this from 2 into e power 2x into e power minus 2x plus 2 e power 2x and similarly minus and minus plus 2 e power 2x e power minus 2x divided by e power minus 2x plus 1 whole square. So we simplify this result. Now 2 e power 2x minus 2x, this is our same, so we take just only one base. Similarly 2 e power 2x plus 2 e power 2x minus 2x divided by e power minus 2x plus 1 whole square. So both are cancelled, this is also cancelled. So we get here 2 into e power 0 plus 2 e power 2x plus 2 e power 0 divided by e power minus 2x plus 1 whole square. E power 0 is, we know that e power 0 is equal to 1. So here 2 plus 2 we get here 4 plus e power 2x divided by e power minus 2x plus 1 whole square is the required answer of f dash x. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks again for watching.